I'm Forrest Saunders standing in front of the state capitol after years of skyrocketing auto insurance rates. New data shows they may finally be dropping, and by as much as double digits in some cases. But will it last? Let's take a look. In a rare turn of good news for Florida drivers, auto insurance rates are finally coming down. Florida's top 5 auto insurance groups, which cover nearly 80% of the state's drivers, are cutting rates by an average of 6.5% in 2025. It's a dramatic shift from just 2 years ago when premiums spiked more than 30%.
The auto market, we're seeing real stability emerge once again after a couple of years of pretty significant increases.
State leaders credit legislative reforms passed in 2022 and 2023 for reining in runaway costs, largely caused, they say, by lawsuits and fraud.
The biggest, meatiest, beefiest property insurance reform legislation that this state has ever seen.
The reforms have also driven down Florida's personal auto liability loss ratio to 53.3%, the lowest in the nation, meaning insurance companies are spending less to cover claims in litigation.
No more billboard lawyers. You can't drive up down Interstate 75 or Interstate 10 without seeing these signs that say, let's sue your insurance company. We're seeing what we need to see in the marketplace, which was a reduction in lawsuits.
And the savings could be real. For a driver paying $2,000 a year, a 6.5% reduction might mean around $130 back in their pocket. And some companies are dropping rates as much as 11.5%.
It's good news for the wallets of every Floridian as we're all trying to make ends meet and succeed in life. It's another sign that we're moving in the right direction. And I hope to see it continue.
But not everyone is celebrating. Former State Senator Jeff Brandes says the system is still fundamentally flawed, pointing to what he considers outdated laws and the state's high rate of uninsured and underinsured drivers. Brandes' group, Florida Policy Project, is calling for new legislation to modernize Florida's 50-year-old system, warning that today's improvements may be only temporary without deeper reform.
It's time for us to have a serious conversation about what auto insurance should look like. It's time for us to begin to increase enforcement on the uninsured motorists and try to drive down that uninsured motorist, because that's what's ultimately costing us so much money.
While rates are falling for now, many think this is just the beginning. The real test will be down the road, seeing if these savings stay on track and eventually reach a possible destination, Florida drivers. And experts say now is the perfect time to shop around. In fact, a LexisNexis report suggests about 50% of the nation has been looking for better deals just this year, and many have found them. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.